Fixold Cameras produces step-by-step, close-up videos of simple, common repairs and basic maintenance on classic and vintage cameras. Your ability, the quality of your tools, and the condition of your camera will affect the success of your repair endeavor. A successful completion of the demonstrated repairs ultimately depends on your camera repair skills.
A broken piece of the plastic trim rivet can lodge into the wind mechanism and jam the AE-1. Before proceeding, remove the bottom cover to determine that the release magnet has truly released. If not, trip it and then try to wind the camera. If still jammed, proceed with removing of the top cover. Another Fixold camera video covers the top cover removal procedure. With the top cover removed, inspect the condition of the plastic rivets that retain the shutter speed dial guard. If a broken rivet is found, the errant piece is likely lodged into the gear teeth of the upper wind mechanism. Before proceeding with any further disassembly, the tungsten meter link wire will need to be managed. Allow the spring tension on the tungsten wire to lodge the ASA disc against the pulley. Remove the 3 crosspoint screws retaining the wind plate. Manipulate the bulb switch to allow for clearance as you lift the wind plate free. Likely the wind ratchet parts will fall free as you lift the plate. If you were lucky and they didn't, great. Otherwise, set the pieces aside. Nudge the wind gears. Probe amongst the teeth, looking for the broken plastic rivet piece or pieces. Aha! There it is. Gently pry it free with the point of a small screwdriver. Continue on the path of the gear train to make certain that all the pieces have been removed. Replace the wind ratchet parts as shown. When compressing the wind ratchet springs for installation, hold the spring between your index finger and thumb and grasp with the tweezers in the compressed condition. Be very, very careful, or they will launch into parts unknown. As you seat the spring into position, cover the spring with your finger as you release the tension on the spring. Install the clear plastic ratchet cover plate. Take care while moving the plate into position that you do not disturb the wind bearings or springs. Once the plate is positioned properly, dab with a drop of Pliabond glue. Now position the wind ratchet to receive the upper advance lever mechanism. Slightly tilt the mechanism and move it into a position to where it drops into place. Push the switch contacts aside for clearance. Don't forget to install the 3 wind plate screws. While retaining the tension on the meter link plate, route the tungsten wire around the pulleys and drop the plate into position. If needed, use tweezers to properly position the wire in the pulleys. Now it's possible that the tungsten wire lost spring tension. If that's the case, we will need to set the spring tension on the resistor plate dial. Note the position of the wire around the adjustment eccentric as you route the wire counterclockwise around the spring tensioning. Holding the tension on the tungsten meter wire, route it through the pulleys as shown. Then install the meter link plate as previously demonstrated. Again, with the meter link plate in position, check all the pulleys to make certain that the wire is traveling in the center of the pulley. Use the tweezers to position the wire properly. Check to make certain that the wire nor the plate binds. With the meter plate properly installed and the wind mechanism unjammed, the top cover can be reinstalled. For additional assistance in completing this repair, be sure to watch the Fixold camera videos on Canon AE-1 top cover removal and top cover installation. Thank you for watching.